Summer Rhythm Fest is here, you guys, and it connects master percussionists and educators with people like you, novices to professional percussion enthusiasts. I'm Kalani, and this is what's in store for the Summer Rhythm Fest 2023. Percussionist, artist, author Dave Kabrensky is teaching a complete West African djembe dundun ensemble arrangement and also djembe soloing phrases and ideas that are going to help you take your playing to the next level. Master djembe artist and educator Taylor from Tam Tam Mending, Chicago is teaching 2 complete djembe dundun ensemble arrangements. World-renowned master percussionist and educator Carolyn Brandy is teaching 2 authentic Cuban arrangements for multiple congas and percussion, and she also layers in some amazing singing. You guys do not want to miss this opportunity. Master percussionist and educator Michael Plusnick is sharing a full djembe ensemble arrangement and bembe on congas, 6/8 rhythms for 1, 2, and 3 drums. You guys, check it out. Summer Rhythm Fest brings master teachers straight to you. I'm your host, Kalani. I'll be with you the entire time. Sign up at the information below. We have discounts for patrons until August 1st. Don't wait, you guys. Spaces are limited. So register today, and I'll see you for Summer Rhythm Fest 2023.